Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate another application of the for loop that allows us to compute for the sum of numbers ranges from 1 to n, where n can be any integer value. Let's start with our code. First thing is we need to declare several variables. So I'll be using here int I for us to, this will be used in our loop. Second is I'm going to use int n, where n will be our input integer. Next is we're going to use int sum, that will hold for the sum of the numbers. Now let's prompt the user to enter the variable. So cout, you have here, enter n. Next is we input n now. Okay, let's now create a loop that would allow us to enter numbers. Okay, for I is equals to 1, we started 1, up to our n variable here. So I less than or equal to n, then we increment it by 1. Next is we're going to get the sum wherein sum is equals to sum plus I. And we print out the output here. So cout, okay, the sum of numbers from 1 to n is equal to sum here. So here's our code. Let us now run our program to test. Now this part here is asking us to enter n here. N could be any number, then 5. The concept is we're going to start with, okay, let me stop the program first. Let me give you an idea how it works. So we're going to have our input, which is 5, and then we're going to get the sum in 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equals to 15. So that should be the concept. So let's run the program again. That's 5. The answer here is 15. So we're able to create a program that allows us to go create a loop, and then from the loop we compute for the sum of the numbers. Now another thing here, just in case the output that you have did not result to 15, I would suggest that here in our sum you initialize it with 0. Okay, so just in case you run the program and the answer is 16, you need to initialize this one to 0 because this will be our accumulator that will hold the sum of the numbers. So initially, actually, if we will not include this, there is no value for sum here. So in order for us to ensure that the sum of the numbers when we add I will be 0, so initialize the variable of sum to 0. Okay, so here's another implementation of the for loop program. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.